143.6 degrees Fahrenheit, scorching heat. 2,000 kilometers of relentless endurance. This is no show, it's the real test. Precision that honors the art of engineering. Extremes that prove the core of reliability. Pro riders of the Taklimakan rally charge through the desert, the violent vibrations hammering our products to the limit. 100-fold salt corrosion cannot shake its accuracy. Every function stays reliable as day one. Here, we rewrite the standards. Crashes may leave scars, but never our will to keep going. True reliability is forged only in the harshest trials. Courage isn't given. It's earned through unwavering resolve. Every vibration tests the limits of the reliability. Every scar from testing is a badge ensuring your safety. This is not just testing, it's a promise of true dependability. JADO